format which contains 50% span length, 2.5% span length, uniformity ratio, short fiber index and breaking strength, micron air, maturity ratio in ICC mode, mean length, upper half mean length, uniformity index, short fiber index, elongation, mic value and maturity ratio in HVI mode, the color of cotton like brightness in terms of RD and yellowness in terms of +B, and a graphical report like fibrograph is also obtained. STATEX High Volume is built with bale management software. Right from sample cotton to incoming cotton arrival, cotton quality checking and approval of lots, and the plan for everyday mixing by considering the criteria set by user. The entire mixing activities can be done automatically till the issue of bale by STATEX Bale Management Software.